Um, Hello, this is Ring Ring. Welcome to Software Architecture Learning Journal by Kotlin. In this series, I'll be sharing what I've learned about software architecture using Kotlin. In this video, we'll learn about the overview of microservices architecture. In microservices architecture, each domain has its own independent service, including data. Each service, along with its data, is deployed independently. Services may collaborate to provide larger functionalities. However, the focus is primarily on adjusting the granularity of services to prioritize protection through transactions. Services communicate with each other using REST or message queues, referred to as contracts. And as microservices are a distributed architecture, each service may be implemented with a different technology stack. It includes language, framework, and database tailored to the specific needs of that service. That concludes the explanation for this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Stay tuned for more content on introductory software architecture using Kotlin. Now, happy coding.